Hey guys, Thunder E here, and welcome to a video on the Xbox One March update, March 2015. It's the latest update, which just announced. Will come in March for regular folks, or at least everyone else. I'm part of the preview program, so I have early access to it. And I'm going to show you some of the things. Now, a couple of things which I can't show you, but is available. So if you're in Australia, the Xbox One digital tuner owners there can now use it with the preview build for this month's release. Also, the One Guide has updates for free-to-air TV listings over there in Australia. Now, let's talk about some of the first things we notice. You can see the front tile is transparent. So there's transparency between the front tiles, which means that you can see my background image much better because the tiles are transparent. To actually change this, it's a very simple process. You go into your settings, scroll to My Xbox, which is lower left-hand corner, and go to tile transparency, which is right there. And you can do mostly transparent, partly solid, mostly solid, or solid. So if we do solid, you can see it's now fully red. All the red tiles are just solid red. And if we head back in here to our settings, we change that back again. We can see that this will go down, and here, mostly transparent. And boom, there we have it. So you can see you can now have transparency within your tiles. That's one of the first things. You can also do screenshots. We'll get to that in a second. I'll show you the screenshots, I'll show you the process, and also the new upload studio. But before we do that, let's check out friends. So they now have a couple of new sections here with friends. So you have suggested friends, which basically gives you a way to add more friends to your Xbox profile. And it's either people who are following you. In my case, I have people who are following me, people who have a certain level in the community, things like that. So you can definitely go ahead and do that. And I'm going to just add one person from here. I think I'll do, because it's cool, because I do love jets, I'm adding him as a friend. He or she actually, as a friend. So you can do that as a friend, favorite, or you can also share my name. You can share a name too with the person if you choose to. That's the other new feature there, sharing names. So you can actually share your real name, with everyone. So it doesn't have to be select friends. And to actually do this, you head back, go into your profile, and you can go to share real name. And here you can share still with certain people that you're friends with, or with everyone, so your real name actually shows up. And you can set that up here. It's a very simple process to do that. So that's actually name sharing. And it's a very easy process to do that. So as I mentioned, you can now take screenshots. Taking screenshots is a very simple process of you can just double tap on the X button while gaming to do that. So actually let's go ahead and fire up a game, and I'll show you. I'm going to go to Call of Duty. All right, so we're out and we want to capture a screenshot. You just have to double tap the Xbox button and it will capture the screenshot for you, but you just have to press Y technically to confirm. So let's try and do something and see if we can. Oh, so I just died. I'm gonna press Y right there, just capture that screenshot, and screenshot is saved, and it's actually saved in your game DVR. So you can actually go ahead and capture screenshots and there we go. So I saved another one. So I've saved some screenshots. Now let's go ahead and check out the screenshots in Upload Studio. All right, so here's the new Upload Studio. You can see it's revamped, changed completely. You have a couple of options to manage your clips, record new clip, which basically record a brand new clip from any game you're playing. Start from scratch. You've got director's cut uploads. These are templates. You have different templates you can actually use for this. And then you can browse all templates. There are more templates here. So one, of course, which you saw in Major Nelson's video is the graphics template, which you actually use your Connect. So I can go into that template, and I can definitely go ahead and do this. I can go here and add connect viewing of me in this comic book style video reference. And you can see me here, I'm talking at that sign and looking up and whoa. So you can do that. I can even run across here and stay in this side and say, yes, I'm here. Ah. So you get that idea. You can actually do that with this clip. I'm gonna stop recording that for now. And that's gonna be in there. But here's also the new layout for your editing. You can add as many up to 15 segments for up to 30 minutes. So you can go ahead, basically come down to that plus sign and add a new segment here. And you could be a game DVR segment, or you can change the type. Go up, go to change type, have a game DVR, could be a splash. So I'll change that to a splash here. And I could add text if I choose to. Or I can change this one to connect with game DVR, connect with game DVR again, or game DVR connect. A bunch of combinations there. You have outros, transitions, intros, and so on and so forth. So this is the outro here. And you can move any of these segments to any position you want to. So I can move this. I can move that. I can move my outro all the way to the front if I choose to. So you have a lot of leeway to create more. So you can edit up to a 30-minute segment on your Xbox One using the new Upload Studio, which is great. And you've got that. And even with the intro, you can add text in there if you choose to, layer over text if you want. You can also add effects, and these effects differ. So you can add text to your effects here. They're different ones that you can pick and choose. So you can have layered effects right there that says Thunder E. You can see me getting up in that one. Of course, there's a cinematic zoom effect. So you have all those different options, which is very, very nice. And it's going to X out of this. And that's pretty much the new Upload Studio. Now, also, this is where you can go in to manage your clips, and shows you where all your screenshots have been saved. Now, the ability to actually view your screenshots in full size is not there yet because I have the preview version. But you're supposed to be able to view it and also set it up as a background wallpaper or share. Now, the sharing function is not available yet. It's going to tell me something's wrong. So that option is not available, but eventually you can use this to use as a background. So if you had an awesome kill in Call of Duty and you just totally own someone, that could be your wallpaper altogether. So that is the March update 2015 for the Xbox One. Here, as you can see, you've got transparent tiles in there, so you can actually see through. You can now share your real name if you choose to. You've got suggested friends in there. There are some privacy changes also in terms of voice chat, which you actually do in the main settings of the game. You've got the new Upload Studio, which is also pretty nice. And also you can take screenshots, and you can use the screenshots as your background. So once March rolls in, you'll be able to do that. But if you guys have any questions or any comments, let us know. Otherwise, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and favorite this video. What I do hope in future is that we can actually make everything transparent. So, even my other non-Xbox applications. But that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and always enjoy the entertainment.